नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9 इंग्लिश चैप्टर 5 द हैप्पी प्रिंस क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु डू द कंट्री इज कॉल द प्राइज प्रिंस कंट्री कॉल द प्रिंस द हैप्पी प्रिंस इज ही रियली हैप्पी व्हाट डज ही सी all around him? Answer number 1, the court is called the prince the happy prince because he was also happy when he was alive. He was unaware of what it's where he lived in a place where grief was not allowed to enter. However, when he did and was made into a stater, he was not happy and tears flowed down his ears on seeing poor state of his city and the people around. Question number 2, why does the happy prince send a ruby for the seamstress? What does the solo do in the seamstress hours? Answer number 2, the happy prince sent a ruby for the seamstress as she was extremely poor and had nothing to feed her child who was suffering from fever. The Sulu went to the seamstress hours after being convinced by the prince and kept the ruby on the table. He then flew around the bed and flapped the boy forehead with his wings. Think made the boy feel comfortable and he want to sleep. Question number 3, for whom does the prince send the sapphires and why? Answer number 3, the happy prince sent the sapphire for 2 people, the young bride across the city, the match girl. The young writer was trying to finish writing a play for the direction on the that it was too cold to write and there was no fire in the grate. Hunger made him faint. He sent the sapphire so that he could sell it to the jewelers. Why? For firewood and finish his play. The happy prince then saw a little match girl whose matches had fallen in the gutter and got spoiled. The prince knew that her father would beat her if she did not bring home some money. When the swallow slipped the jewel into the palm of the little girl and she ran home happy and losing. Question number 4, what does the swallow see when it flies over the city? Answer number 4, when the swallow flew over the city it saw the rich people making merry and the beggar sitting down the lane. It was a stark contrast of wealth and poverty. It saw pale faces of starving children on stage. It so two boy being shouted at and denied of a sound sleep by the watchman and police patrolling. Question number 5. Why did the Solo not leave the prince and go to Egypt? Answer number 5. Since the prince had given away the two sapphire of his ear, he had become lean. Therefore, the Solo decided to stay with the prince. Away the Solo was so touched by Prince's gesture and kindness that he decided to stay back rather than flying to Egypt with his friends. Question number 6. What are the precious things mentioned in the story? Why are they precious? Answer number 6. The precious things mentioned in the story are the broken heart of the happy prince and the dead bird. They are precious because both the happy prince and the Solo were very kind-hearted, generous, and selfless. The prince could not see the ugliness, misery, and suffering of the people in his city and so gave away all his precious stones and gold to make his everyone happy. Similarly, the Solo sacrificed his trip to Egypt and decided to stay with Prince as him messenger for carrying the precious stones and gold to the needy. That is why when God asked one of the angels to bring him the two precious things in the garden, the angel took the broken heart and the dead bird, and God said that in his garden of paradise the little bird shall sing forevermore, and in the city of gold the happy prince shall pass gold. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।